Alright, so this is an unboxing. I literally just got this. This is the new Game Watch Super Mario Brothers. This is $50. It's available at most local retails. Target is where I got mine. And so like this is the packaging. It's in this like kind of a clear case, and then the box is behind it. They do have stickers on each side, which I previously removed, but I have not opened it yet. So let's take a look to see how that slides off. It's actually kind of cool. It just slides right off. And then this is the actual box. So let's open this up. It says special thanks to you. So that's kind of cool. It has this little pull tab right here that you can just kind of slide right out and slide everything out. Let's see what's inside it, nothing else. So you get some user guide instructions. So it looks like you do get the USB charging cable, but notice that the AC adapter is not included, which is not a big deal because you probably have plenty of USB chargers in your house. So here's the USB cable. The cool thing is right now that I'm seeing right now, if you can see that in the video, it is USB-C, so that's kind of cool. And the package itself, that's pretty much left. I mean, there's this little tab to get the thing open here to slide it out. It's very tiny. That's one thing I'm noticing is very tiny. So here we go. Whoa, that is really cool. So it's a very hard plastic. There's your USB power button, and then the actual like screen, and there's the screen. That actually came on pretty fast. It's asking me to set up the time, so press the time button, which is the middle button right here, and then I can adjust the time. That is so cool. That's so great. I can go into Super Mario Brothers, and look, that's the first game right here. Oh my gosh, I miss this game so much. Yep, still plays the same way as I remember as a kid. I'll just die right here. The speaker sounds pretty good. It's one little speaker on the side right here, but it does sound pretty good. So this is just a quick unboxing. Just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what it looked like. And, you know, look out for it in stores. You can buy it on Amazon. I think it's available till March 21st, 2021. That's when they're selling these. So get them when you can. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.